In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the rotate screen button on your Chromebook tablet, assuming you have such a function. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the launcher and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel here, go down and you want to select where it says ChromeOS settings near the bottom. And then on the right side, there should be a rotate screen button. Go ahead and toggle that on to enable that, assuming that's a function that's available on your device. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.